English conversation practice. Effective project coordination over phone.
Hi Maria. How are you?
Hi, Alex. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well, thank you. I was wondering if you have a moment to talk about our project.
Sure, I have some time now. What do you need to discuss?
I wanted to go over the deadline and make sure we're on the same page with the tasks we need to complete.
That sounds like a good idea. I have the list of tasks here with me. Shall we go through them together?
Yes, let's do that. Can you confirm the deadline for our project submission?
The deadline is next Friday, the 24th. We need to finalize everything by Wednesday so we have time for a final review.
Perfect, that gives us enough time. Have you finished the analysis section?
I'm almost done. I need a couple more days to complete it. How about the introduction and conclusion?
I'll finalize the introduction by tomorrow and start on the conclusion over the weekend.
Sounds good. Let's schedule another call early next week to review everything.
Agreed. I'll send you a calendar invite for Monday morning. Is 10 a.m. okay for you?
Monday at 10 a.m. works for me. Thanks for organizing this, Alex.
No problem, Maria. Talk to you soon. Take care.
You too, Alex. Bye.